Your social operating system has a critical flaw. You likely believe technical skill is the primary driver of success, that your expertise is the entire program, but this assumption is a system error.
Let's pull up the diagnostics. Research from the Carnegie Foundation shows that technical knowledge only accounts for about 15% of financial success. This number, 85%, is the rest of the code. This is your skill in human engineering, your ability to effectively interface with people. It seems your social skills have a better ROI than your coding skills.
John D. Rockefeller actually quantified its value. He said, "I will pay more for that ability to deal with people than for any other under the sun." He treated it like a commodity, as purchasable as coffee, probably with a better morning buzz too. So let's begin installing the necessary protocols to upgrade your system.
Protocol 1. Stop criticizing. Think of this as the first patch we're deploying to fix a common bug that corrupts your social interactions.
The core principle is simple. Don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Criticism is futile. It puts a person on the defensive and wounds their pride. It's like trying to debug a live system by hitting it with a hammer. Spoiler, it doesn't work.
Here's the micro action to execute. For the next 24 hours, set your output mode to positive. Speak ill of no one. Benjamin Franklin adopted this method as the secret to a success, committing to speak all the good he knew of everybody. It's a simple variable change, but one with a profound, system-wide impact.
Protocol 2. Arouse eager want. This protocol is all about accessing the core motivation function in other people's operating systems.
The only way to get anyone to do anything is by making them want to do it. The principle, arousing the other person in eager want. Trying to push them is like trying to move a file that's currently in use. The system will always win that argument.
The micro action is to run a pre-execution check. Before you speak, pause the process and ask yourself, how can I frame this to make the other person want to do it? Henry Ford called this the one secret of success, the ability to see things from their angle. It's a fundamental perspective shift in your programming.
Now, for a bonus module. Consider this an optional plugin for advanced leadership functions.
Your inefficient code is the direct order, do this. It often creates resentment and process errors. The optimized code is a suggestion, a question. Do you think this approach would work? O&D Young, a major business leader, never gave direct orders. He gave people the opportunity to execute the task themselves. One is brute force, the other is efficient design.
Okay, let's compile this into a single command to execute over the next 24 hours.
In one conversation today, your only objective is to listen. Switch your system to receive mode. Ask questions only to encourage the other person to transmit more data. Your goal is to let them do a great deal of the talking. You are simply gathering intelligence. Do not interrupt the data stream. Just listen. You'll find most people have this feature turned off by default.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. Comment, what's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?